everyone, in this tutorial I will walk you through the installation, setup and key features of the Webcom Essential plugin, ensuring that you get the most out of it for your website. So the Webcom Essential plugin is a powerful tool designed to enhance the functionality and user experience of WordPress community websites built with BuddyPress or BuddyBoss. It provides essential features such as layout improvements, customization option, and additional functionality that help the community admin to manage and optimize their site more effectively. So to see how the plugin works, I have created a temporary site using Taste WP. I can access it from here. As we can see, this is the site. So beforehand, I have already added a theme here, BuddyX. It's a lightweight and flexible theme. Now to see how the plugin at the moment looks, let me show you. This is the layout, and this is the second page. So let me create another page so where we can test this plugin out. Okay. We'll go back to the dashboard and add the plugin. First, let me, so I've already loaded the plugin here. I just to activate it. Let me activate Elementor first because it's a requirement for the plugin to be used on your community site. So let's see. Okay, edit with Elementor. Okay, as you can see, we don't have, tons of options that we can use for pages. These are preloaded and provided, um, and we have to use. Now, okay, so you can see here we have a new option. This contains all the templates available in this plugin. As you can see, we have tons of different options. We have error pages, about sections, call to action, contact pages, copyright section, question and answers, features and benefits, focus boxes, footer, header sections. Then we have hero section also, login pages, pop-ups if you want. If you're creating a portfolio, we have tons of options here. Pricing table, then product archives, services available, stats, team. We can display all your team members here. Testimonials. Okay. So we have tons of options. Now let me show you how we can design the whole page using these options available. So let me set an about page. I will be using, let's use this one. Simply click on insert here. Okay. Now you can see here we have the block here. The image takes a minute to load, I guess, because the image is loaded here, not shown. Let me change the image. Choose an image. I can have kind of this image. Select. Okay, fine. So this is our about section. We can edit each and every element of this block. About our about let me about us. We can edit this button also. Let's cover. Okay, so now you can see how we can edit each element. We have tons of options available. We can change the image, the typography of the whole block. Now let me add another. You know what, I can have focus boxes. So insert this one here. Okay, so as you can see here, these are some focus boxes. We can display our, um, some new upcoming, you have a new upcoming product you can display, or some exciting news you have, you can display here. So this is, you know, team camp. If you are setting up a, then you can edit this picture also, you can edit these buttons. So that's how you can set up a whole page here. In few minutes you can have a whole designed, well drafted page. Now publish this. Okay, have a look. Okay, so okay, this is an animated element. This is the about section, then focus box. You can edit all of this. So that's how you can create a whole new page using this plugin. Let me just throw light on some appeal in this plugins. That is, it's, you can use it to improve the UI and layout options in your site in seconds. It offers tons of customization settings for your buddy press or buddy boss elements. You can also, it has advanced customization settings, that is, you can have your create a color scheme for your community and have it, the whole site can be according to it. It also supports tons of font changes and layout tweaks. There are also activity and profile enhancements. You can improve the presentation of your user profile or activity stream in your community. It also enhances the interaction features, making it more dynamic and engaging. And you have tons of extra widgets or shortcodes you can add to your whole community to make it more seamless and interactive for the users. Then you also have it's compatible with Lean and other Wbcom design products. So if you are using some of our products beforehand, it's very seamless to integrate both of them. So I hope this was uh, very explanative. And if you are looking for a tool that helps you enhance your WordPress community site, this is it. With its seamless integration and customization option and compatibility with BuddyPress and BuddyPost, it can empower a site owner to create more engaging and user-friendly community. So by following this tutorial, you'll be able to maximize the plugin potential and ensure an optimized experience for your users. So if you need further assistance or want to explore additional things, Wbcom Design offers a range of plugins and support to help you achieve your community building goals. Thank you.